So at this particular depot for Stagecoach in Peterborough, TSG have installed new fuel pumps, new tank gauging, fuel management system, automatic number plate recognition and the Karcher bus wash. Hi Terry, so got the number plate recognition cameras in? Yeah, okay.
All been installed now,
Yeah, and we've also got the new Karcher bus wash as well.
Yeah, been in for about a year now. So
Okay, yeah, good. And how's the wash performing? Excellent.
Vehicles are looking really clean for us, which is massively important for us.
Yes, obviously, yeah.
And the presentation of the vehicle. Water usage is what it said it done on the tin. A decent reduction in water usage over the last year-on-year figures.
Brilliant, excellent.
Impact on that, so I'm really pleased about that.
So from an environmental point of view then, as well as
really
like we said, you know, the cost saving, the environmental side as well.
Yeah, the environmental side, but also the point where it's sustainability parts that have been used, so the recycled parts that we use within the wash build. So
brilliant.
Again, helps with our sustainability targets as well. So we were using recycled parts in the makeup of the wash, which is really good for us. Yeah. The number plate recognition in the fuel system that's been installed is again another positive for us. So our productivity and our from our admin side now is increased because obviously we don't have to manually put down the fuel readings. It's all done electronically through number plate recognition and the fuel systems that come in place. So we've improved in productivity within the stores as well.
So efficiency and productivity have gone up with it.
Really
Good. And reliability and number percentages and reads are all right?
Yeah, I mean the reliability on the wash is really good. Reliability on the fuel system really sort of early doors in that, but we have got 2 other depots that's been installed.
Yeah.
And they've been in for nearly a year now, so and again really good good sort of reliability. You haven't really no issues with it.
Excellent, mate.
So I'm really pleased with that and what we're using it for at the present moment in East. So yeah.
Here at Stagecoach Peterborough, TSG have installed their Dialog fuel management system along with TOC IMI, the AMPR vehicle recognition system. This enables the fueler to fuel automatically with no interaction with the keypad on the fuel management. When the vehicle comes in, the nozzle is lifted, the vehicle is recognised by the camera system and fueling is done automatically. This enables accurate reporting. Any vehicle that is using more fuel, the MPGs will be picked up on and then Stagecoach can action any repairs to that vehicle.
So how's Stagecoach evolving?
I think we're evolving. We've coped really well with the pandemic. I mean, it's been a really challenging time for everybody involved in this kind of industry and everybody in the world really with what's gone on over the last couple of years. The industry is still sort of still recovering.
Yeah.
We're supplying a good service and a reliable service to the communities, and we've been doing that for over 40 years. It's really important for us that we get our people from the plate to meet their family members in the places that matter to them as quickly and as reliable as possible.
Yeah.
The cleanliness of the vehicles is the utmost on that, you know, across all sites. So that image that we give off when we send a vehicle out onto the road,
it's important that you
it's really clean. As I said, the bus wash has improved the quality of the cleaning.
Brilliant. Yeah.
So I'm really pleased with that.
So as a concept, the wash, the fuel management, the number plate recognition, as a piece has improved the efficiency and you're happy with the results?
Yeah, really happy with the results.
Excellent. Brilliant.
Across the other couple of depots we've got in East that have got the system in.
Yep.
Still got one that we're looking to potentially do something with.
Finally, I'd like to say that, you know, from a TSG point of view, worked with Terry and worked with Stagecoach for a long time, and you know, I know we're a supplier, but it's always, I think we've always had a pretty good business relationship. You know, when you've asked us, we've always tried to step up, and I know, you know, certainly working for Stagecoach has been very beneficial.
The systems that we've put in place in the depots in East, I'm pleased with the service and the reliability of the products that we've put in place.
All right, well, many thanks for this, Terry. We appreciate it. Thanks a lot. All the best.